Hey friends, welcome to my channel. Casey here. Happy September. Today I am doing some cleaning and just a little bit of fall decorating. I am so excited to be decorating for fall. You will see I will do a little bit of decorating in this video and I can't wait to share with you my finished fall decor. What I do in this video isn't the final thing. I just kind of was getting started. I kind of just have to put a few things out there and then decide what it is I'm really going to do. So I will have another video coming soon of a fall tour of everything done, and I can't wait to share that with you as soon as everything is finished. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. I do lots of cleaning and decorating and shopping videos. Obviously those are my favorite things to do, so I just love sharing that with you guys. Actually, my vacuum went dead in that last clip because I forgot to charge it the night before. So while it was charging and while my room was nice and clean, I decided to take a few photos for Instagram. I would love for you to follow me on Instagram. I post lots of photos and daily updates over there, and my Instagram is linked down below.
Thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep down. Deep down, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. Carry all that you've got. Two heavy hearts is not a lot. I will put out all of the fire. We stumble and fall, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. And you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your
that is actually a very old cabinet that I bought at an antique fair. And I actually hate decorating this wall here. It's just the front wall of our house, and if it was up to me, I would take a wrecking ball and smash it through the front and reconfigure the whole thing. How I would reconfigure it, I'm not sure, but for some reason this wall bugs me to decorate. But inside that cabinet I keep a lot of my decorative dishes and pitchers and cake stands, mainly because I have so many pitchers and cake stands. I used to have them out on display, but I don't anymore because I just don't have room for them, so they're all tucked away in there.
Late at night in the dark, at least when I'm not with you, it's like
I really want to get a new rug for under my dining table in the next few weeks. I've just been preoccupied with fall things that I haven't thought about a rug. That one is kind of just a temporary rug because my other one got ruined. All the rugs that I like for that area are like $500, so with having young children and multiple dogs, I just don't think that's a good idea, because if something happened to it, I would be devastated. And especially being since it's under the dining room table, so I'm hoping that I can find a better option soon.
I like that you're free. I wanna be that way with you. Chasing highs to take the weight out of me. Far from lows, I don't ever feel blue.
Now actually, the day that I filmed this video, I picked up some new pieces for this area right here, so in my next video you'll be able to see that, but it wasn't until late in the evening when I was able to get them, and I am super excited about this piece. It is one of my favorite things, so I can't wait to show it to you. And right now on the credenza, I'm just keeping it simple with those two concrete pumpkins. They kind of just blend in with everything there, and all of that stuff piled at my front door is everything that I'm hauling out of my house. Now, a lot of stuff I hadn't put out yet while filming this video, because after I got everything out, I decided that there wasn't much that I had aside from the pumpkin, so I needed to get some more things for the space, and I had already picked up some new garland for my fall mantle, which is what I'm putting up here, and I'm really excited about this because I think it is so pretty. And I didn't take the tags off because I just had to make sure what it would look like first when I was putting it up. And as you can see, I also got that adorable mug at Hobby Lobby that says "Morning Pumpkin." I just love that phrase. I think I've said that before, and I did have a mug that said that before, I believe, but I think that is the mug that got broken during my kitchen KonMari whenever we redid our entire kitchen and I had to take everything out. So I was pretty excited when I found a new one to replace it. So let me know in the comments below if you have decorated for fall yet. I always get so excited when it is time to decorate for fall. I feel like so many of us do. It's just such a cozy time of year, And if you live where I live, it is just so beautiful when the leaves change colors and they start to fall. The temperatures just get cooler. I just love it so much. And then of course we're followed by Christmas, which is my favorite to decorate for. I just love that so much. But after Christmas, I'm ready for all the leaves to jump right back on those trees. Now I am just cleaning up in the kitchen and picking up all of this clutter. I just love cleaning our kitchen ever since we redid it. It used to be dark brown with granite countertops. You can go back to my previous videos where we actually redid this kitchen. We had our cabinets painted white and we added new countertops, and I just love it so much. It is so bright and cheery. I just love the white. So this is definitely my favorite place to clean now. And I'm going to be cleaning my favorite trays, and I always have these linked down below. They are from Walmart and they are a marble print and they're just so pretty, and I always keep them out on my counters because we have marble countertops and I just like to sit stuff on it to protect the counters, and there's so many uses for them. I love keeping them linked down below because I know that you guys love them too. You know, it's funny, if you'll notice those two chickens sitting by my sink, I actually took those down from my laundry room and I sat them there one day, and I remember saying out loud, "Oh, I'm just sitting these here, they're not staying in here." I don't even know why I said that, but I just sat them there to get them out of the way, and they've been sitting there ever since. I think they kind of grew on me, but I never had any intention of keeping them in my kitchen, and I'm still not sure if I want them to be in my kitchen, but I just still haven't moved them. Also, I have already changed a few things up in this corner since I filmed this video, and you will be sure to see it in the next video, and I can't wait until I get all of my stuff in and everything finished to share it with you all.
for the longing heart. Just another day to be with ya, with ya. Baby, there's no plan for the wicked. Darker are the days for the bitter ones. Baby, I'm just happy to be with ya, to be with ya. Baby, there's no plan for the wicked. There is no goal for the longing heart. Just another day to be with ya. When everything ends, it's a brand new start. Baby, there's no plan for the wicked. Darker are the days for the bitter ones. Baby, I'm just happy to be with ya. Ooh, there's no plan for the wicked. Ooh, there's no plan for the wicked. Stare into the sun, moments holding on, and we hold our breath, close enough to burn, but I never learn. Try to make it last. Could it be different? Could we be different? 'Cause the night's so young, 'cause the night's so young.
I didn't make it to clean in the family room in this video. I ordered some new pieces for fall to decorate down there, so I will definitely be showing that in the next video. I have so many projects going on right now. We will be redoing a bathroom, a bedroom, and a laundry room / butler's pantry, so stay tuned for that and some more fall decor and cleaning. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I would really appreciate it if you would hit that subscribe button and give a thumbs up to this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Keep my